Today we have for you another solo trip. It's actually the continuation of last week's video where we went back to the criminal dumping ground in Detroit. Got our third gun this trip, so make sure you check it out. This one is really, really nice compared to everything else I've seen come out of the river.
I do think that is my first folding chair. And I don't believe I will be sitting in it anytime soon. Got another one, man. Got another one. Huh? Yeah, dude, the other one was twice that size. All right, buddy. Let's get you out of here. Get you. Alright, there you go. It's odd.
Stole it, probably threw it away.
Yep, probably came out of one of these safes in here. Man, I could restore that too. Oh my god, I could restore that. You know, I think you're right. I think it is. If there's any way, I'd really like to be able to fill out some paperwork or something. I'd like to try my hand at restoring, because that one, everything seems to still work on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't test the trigger, obviously.
Right.
But I don't think it's been in there that long.
That's not too bad a shape.
Hopefully it's registered to somebody and you guys can find the serial number. The serial number, I think, it should have the model on the barrel, but I think the serial number should be back on the frame.
I'm not seeing anything. Ripper?
Yeah, our property guy knows more about
Right.
guns, so he'll have it,
Yeah, like I said, I'm sure it's just going to go get destroyed or returned. If it was stolen, returned to whoever owned it, which they're not going to be able to do much with it, I'm sure.
Right.
Here, I'm leaving the weights hanging out of the bucket.
Okay. No more. All I want to do is go to work.
So much fishing lines. Wow. That's a door molding from a car. Another spark plug. Wouldn't be magnet fishing without a couple of spark plugs. Another wheel weight. Holy crap.
All you doing is got my property locked up. Got my property locked up.
Mm-hmm. What about my 20th socket?
People using the big one when they don't have any more weight.
Yep. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna have to go home soon. It looks like a 9mm. Looks like a full wad cutter or something. Oh no, it's been... I don't know what's in it. Primer's been struck. I don't know what's inside of it. Does that mean there's a 9mm down there too? Let's hope. Got the front fork of the motorcycle. Oh. Oh. Huh? Another folding chair. Hey, tin can. Oh. Well, that makes sense.
Pretty cool. That was a Ruger Red Hawk chambered in .44 Magnum. I really wish that the police would have let me keep it. I did contact them about a week after this video was shot, and they informed me that the stance of the Detroit police is to not return any firearms to anybody unless it's the registered owner. Thank you for sticking around. If you're interested in the magnet, check out the links in the description. Please subscribe and follow us.